Okay, we are live. We're on Facebook, we're on YouTube. Say hello. A massive round of applause. Mr. Matt Abe, Pip Lacey. Mr. John Williams, Sat Baines.
You know, the staff canteen I've been following for many, many years, and you see the reach and the audience that it reaches to, so I think it's amazing.
So I think it's important that chefs of our level still give back. So we're always willing to pass it forward, hopefully inspire some young spark in some young chefs.
Staff Canteen Live brings to Hotelympia something very unique, something we don't have elsewhere in the show. Our chef content of this show is very student driven, very young chef driven.
So over the last 3 days of doing Staff Canteen Live, it's really been as if I'm part of this, this whole team.
Hi, I'm Kathleen from Santa Maria. Stand's been madly busy. Yesterday we had no time to breathe, which is really, really positive. And there is a big interest in spices and herbs and actually learning more about them.
Staff Canteen Live, it puts us in the right place, it puts our brand in the right place with all the chefs following they have, and it gives us a really good sort of opportunity to showcase any new products we have to offer.